There is in the gCADPlus toolbox a very useful tool that helps you clean up a drawing after you are finished. So, tools, purge, unused objects. And you can see here, layers, textiles and blocks have all been purged. So the only blocks in here are those that are being used in the design. If I come to the layout space, the presentation space, and zoom in on this area here, the note tells me that there's a timber screen here on a southern wall, and the intention in consultation with the owner and the designer is to feature some sort of mural on here, or maybe put an image, a special image on here, and you are tempted to wonder why an image doesn't show here, because it looks very much like an image box. And if you come to Format and the Image Manager, there is a logo, and that's there, but there is an image of the bamboo, and that is specified in here, and it's come from a desktop, but it hasn't been found. But remembering we just used the purge command, so we need in future to add the ability of the purge command to clean off and clean up any drawings that have, any images that haven't been loaded. On reflection, maybe leaving it this way is good, because if it does a show, when you put an image into a gCADPlus environment, and then the software can't load it, there'll just be a box around the space. So maybe we will leave it in that direction, but to get rid of it, it's click delete, and we can then close it. So you clean the drawing up just a little. Or to illustrate, I put an image file here. I've done it in layout space, and if we come across to Format and look at the Image Manager, there's the geranium, the image. It's on the desktop. And what if I now save that drawing and go to my desktop and delete it, then come back into the drawing, again I'll save, and then I'll close, and then open the very same drawing again. And you see my point, we get a square very like the one over here, and it tells me that it's the geranium, it tells me it's on my desktop, or it should be. So can you see it's well worth understanding that process and watching that Format Images box. You can acquire it from a scanner, you can delete and reload and unload and so on, all from that box. But it's not immediately obvious, it's not easy to find in gCADPlus. So I hope that helps understand the handling of that Image Manager box.